Hello and welcome to Learn Code Read. Today we are going to complete lesson 9 of the Pre-Reader Express course. This lesson is designed to practice repeat loops thoroughly. If you want to check the previous lessons of this series, click on the link above. Before we start practicing repeat loops, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's begin the lesson. I am skipping artist introduction video and starting with puzzle 2, which is a free play. Here I am going to draw a square. To start that, I'll move this artist to top left corner. To do that, I'll use repeat block and jump block. West and north. And roughly I am calculating west, north, west, north, west, north. That is 3 times. And now to draw a big square, I'll use repeat block. First I'll draw a line in east direction. Then we'll draw a line in south direction. Then west. And last is north. As I want to draw a big square, I'll set this to 6 and all the side of the same size. So I'll set all the direction, all the repeat block for 6 times. Setting the speed and now run it. My square is ready. Now I'll click on finish. It will give me option to share this. You can share this with your friends by copying this link and send it using mail or chat. Let's continue to puzzle 3. I am skipping the video about repeat loop because it was already covered in previous lessons. Let me explain briefly one more time. We use repeat block when we want computer to perform any actions multiple times. Let's read the instruction for puzzle 4. The artist is trying to draw a line 6 times but can't get it right. Can you help? So the code is already there. We need to find out what's the issue with this code to draw a line 6 times. So here you can see we are using repeat block and south direction block. Now here it is 4. But in instruction they are telling us to draw it for 6 times. So this is the clear mistake. So we'll set it to 6 and we'll run it. It was easy. Now let's move to puzzle 5. Help the artist draw a line 7 times to make a garden wall. Here we can use only one block, that is south block. From direction, this one number means you can use this one time only. So now we'll drag that block and we need to draw a line for 7 times. So we'll set this to 7 and run it. Let's continue to puzzle 6. Puzzle 6. Now we need to get the soil ready to plant. Find the bugs in the code and help the artist prepare the ground. So the code is already given. We need to identify the mistake. Till now we know that the color of repeat block is pink. Now they are gray. Gray block means you cannot delete them. When you try to delete them, it will give you a sign that you can't delete it. Now let's rectify the code. First, what we need to do is we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4 lines we need to draw. And the draw block is not here. So first of all, we put this block here. And then we need it 4 times. So first, draw, then jump, draw, then jump to reach the other side. Now let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 7. Puzzle 7. Time to fix the stairs. Repeat this pattern 5 times so the artist can reach the top of the bushes. So it is already given that what we need to do. Pattern is already there. So we'll just drag repeat block, put this pattern inside and set this to 5 times. So it will go north and east 5 times. Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 8. Behind the bushes, there are a beautiful vine full of flowers. Can you climb the vine and see where it goes? Okay. So what we need to do is, artist is here. First, north, west, north, west. And it is stairs, so it is repetitive action. So we'll count these points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need to repeat the action pattern 7 times. Let's put it here, set it to 7. First step is north and then west. Now let's run it. You can set color of your stairs as well. Now let's continue to puzzle 9. Puzzle 9 is a challenge. We are ready for the challenge. Let's do it. It's a hidden garden. Let's walk around. So there are some blocks given which is grey in color, so we cannot delete them. We need to finish the rest of the blocks. Now let's see. First, artist will go east, south, east, south. Okay, so he'll reach here. Then east, north, he'll reach here. So we need to fix for this portion from this point to this point. So now after reaching here, it will go to west and then north. So it will reach here. From there it will go west and south 3 times. So I think we are done with the code. Let's run it. We have completed the puzzle 9. Okay, let's continue to puzzle 10. Puzzle 10. Time to head home. Can you fix this ladder using only one block to help the artist get down? Artist is here and he need to get down to this point. Pattern is already given. Let's check. First east, south, west, south, east, south, west, south. So it is repeating for 3 times. Let's drag repeat block, put this block inside, set this to 3 and we are good to go. Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 11. Puzzle 11. Let's take the short way home over the pond. Can you help the artist stay on the stones? So these are the stones. So artist will come here, then jump to other and then here. Finally on land. So first he'll move to west. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Set this to 4. Draw and then jump. I think that's it. Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 12. Puzzle 12. Use what you have learned to draw a picture of what you think the artist saw when he got home. Here are some ideas, or you can think of your own idea and draw. You have all the blocks with you to draw. Subdirections and main directions. I am skipping this. Once you finish this drawing, you can click on finish. You'll get option to share that with your friends. We have finished this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed drawing gardens with artists. Please like, share and subscribe to Learn Code Read. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Keep practicing.